Welcome, friends, to our third lesson, learning Ndebele. You will remember that in the previous lesson, we had introduced consonants in Ndebele, and we had said a bit about how we articulate sounds in Ndebele, or generally speaking. So today we are going to continue looking at the consonant inventory, or at all the consonant sounds that are produced in Ndebele, and I'm going to teach you how to articulate each of those sounds. Okay, and as I promised in the second lesson, we are going to start off by just running down the alphabet as we know it and see if we have a sound in Ndebele against each of the letters of the alphabet. So the first one is a vowel A. We discussed that one. Under B, we have different ways of articulating it. One is va, va, as in ubaba, father, ubaba. The other sound produced under B is ba, ba. As in bala, right, bala, right. The next one is C, and we've got ka, as in qaqada, qaqada, okay? And then the other one is cha, cha, as in uchago, uchago. You're going to find that there's a difference in the way I'm articulating these sounds. I'm going to explain them shortly. Then we have got D. Under D, we have sounds like da, da, idada, idada. And then A is a vowel. We discussed that one. F, fa, fa, funa, funa, want. And then we've got G, ga, ga, gada, gada. H, ha, ha, hamba, go, hamba, go. And sometimes we also have ha, as in hachi, hachi. It's written basically the same way as you write ha. Hachi means no. E or I is a vowel. We discussed that one. J, ja, ijasi, ijasi, kot. K, ga, ga, ganti, or gumbe. We also have ka, ka, kava, kick, kava. And then we've got ka, ka, kala. I'm going to explain all these and how different they are, okay? And then for this lesson, we're going to end at l, la, la. Then we'll continue in our next lesson.